He was the most powerful king the world had ever known. His name was Nebuchadnezzar, king of Babylon. His city touched the sky. His walls were unbreakable. His armies were feared across nations. Pride entered his heart. He kept on saying, "Is this not Babylon the Great, which I built by my mighty?" He didn't know all that was about to change. One night, while the palace slept, God spoke in a dream. Nebuchadnezzar woke up trembling. A dream had shaken his soul, a dream so clear, so terrifying, that his heart would not rest. But when morning came, the meaning was gone, only fear remained. He called for his wise men, his magicians, his astrologers. "Tell me my dream," the king demanded, "and tell me what it means." They froze. "No king has ever asked such a thing," they said. Nebuchadnezzar's anger burned like fire. "If you cannot reveal my dream," he thundered, "you will all be destroyed." That night, a young man named Daniel prayed, not to idols, not to magic, but to the God of heaven, and God answered. Daniel stood before the king. "There is a God in heaven," he said, "who reveals mysteries." Then he spoke the dream. A giant statue stood before the king, head of gold, chest of silver, legs of iron, feet of iron and clay. A stone not cut by human hands struck the statue, and it fell to dust. Only the stone remained, growing into a mountain that filled the earth. Nebuchadnezzar fell to his knees. "Your God is the God of gods," he said, and for a moment, the king was humbled. But pride is patient. Years passed. Nebuchadnezzar stood on his palace roof, looking over Babylon. "Is this not Babylon the Great," he said, "which I built by my power and glory?" The words had barely left his mouth when heaven answered. A voice thundered, "The kingdom has been taken from you." In an instant, the mighty king fell. His mind was broken. His throne was lost. He fled into the wilderness. He lived like an animal. He ate grass like cattle. His hair grew wild. His nails became claws. For 7 years, the greatest king on earth was nothing. Until one day, Nebuchadnezzar lifted his eyes to heaven, and in that moment, his mind returned. His strength returned. His kingdom was restored. The king stood again, not in pride, but in truth. He spoke to all nations, "I praise and honor the Most High God, for his dominion is everlasting. Those who walk in pride, he is able to humble." And so the world learned, kings rise, kingdoms fall, but God reigns forever.